Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create OnlyFans content. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need a good setup. Make sure your laptop is ready with a stable internet connection and your workspace is well lit. The quality of your content depends a lot on your environment, so invest in decent webcam or use your laptop's built-in camera. But make sure the lighting is on point. Lighting is everything. Try using natural light or invest in a softbox to make your content look more professional. Next, focus on the type of the content you want to create. If you are into photography or videos, make sure your content is engaging. You can edit your photos using simple software like Canva or Lightroom on your laptop to enhance them before posting. The goal is to stand out, so be creative with what you share. Offering exclusive behind the scenes content or personalized messages can also help attract more subscribers. Lastly, be consistent. Create a content schedule so that your fans know when to expect new posts. Posting regularly will keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. And that's it. Now you know how to create OnlyFans content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.